The short guide explains how to buy shares of iSpecimen Inc., a company that connects clinical and research laboratories with biospecimens and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker ISPC. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. To place a trade, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify the account, typically by submitting an identity document, and you will need to add funds before buying. Use the platform search box and type the ticker ISPC to find the correct listing. Verify the company name displayed to ensure it matches iSpecimen Inc. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart for context. Confirm this is the iSpecimen Inc. stock before moving forward. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then review and confirm the order details carefully. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until trading resumes. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same step-by-step example.